Welcome to this video on physical threats and controls. After watching this video, you will be able to identify various physical threats that can impact an organization's cybersecurity, identify different outdoor security measures for deterring unauthorized access and safeguarding critical infrastructure, describe environmental factors that can impact an organization's cybersecurity and infrastructure, recognize organizational solutions to mitigate environmental factors and natural disasters. Imagine an attacker aiming to implant a virus onto a server directly. The attacker might use phishing emails to trick employees into opening an executable file, gaining inside access. Alternatively, the attacker could physically enter the server room, connect a flash drive, and upload malicious files directly. While we prioritize firewalls and encryption, good security also means securing buildings and having strong physical access controls. Let us explore how attackers can gain access to an organization's cybersecurity through physical means. Physical threats to an organization's cybersecurity can include unauthorized access, theft, tailgating, dumpster diving, surveillance, and vandalism. Let us learn about these threats in detail. Unauthorized access is a primary concern, as individuals may breach restricted areas, potentially compromising critical infrastructure like servers. Another concern includes theft of physical devices, like laptops or hard drives, which may contain sensitive information. Additional risks include tailgating, where attackers follow authorized individuals into restricted areas without being noticed. Organizations can also be vulnerable to dumpster diving. It is a tactic in which attackers can retrieve documents or devices thrown away by an organization that may still contain sensitive information. Attackers can use cameras or other devices to spy on an organization's operations or to gather confidential information. Lastly, organizations can suffer vandalism that involves the deliberate destruction of physical infrastructure, risking data loss or system unavailability. But how do we combat these threats? The initial measure to prevent physical access involves establishing a site security strategy that thoroughly examines an organization's premises and tailors security measures to address each site's threats and vulnerabilities. Different locations, like a data center versus an office, require specific security measures to address their varying vulnerabilities and threats. Let's look at some measures for securing physical assets from unauthorized access, starting from the outside and working our way in. Outdoor security measures play a crucial role in deterring unauthorized access and safeguarding critical infrastructure. Some of these include industrial camouflage, fences, lighting, cameras, locks, alarms, signage, and access controls. Let's explore these measures in detail. The initial line of defense often involves industrial camouflage, strategically concealing critical infrastructure like call-in data centers to diminish visibility and vulnerability to physical attacks. Fences act as a physical barrier, limiting unauthorized access to sensitive areas. Adequate lighting illuminates the surroundings of a facility, deterring unauthorized access and providing better visibility for surveillance systems. Surveillance cameras contribute to ongoing monitoring of a building's perimeter, deterring potential intruders and enabling a swift response to security threats. Here's a closer look at some additional key measures. Locks are fundamental to physical security, as they create a physical barrier against unauthorized access and safeguard critical infrastructure and information. An additional layer of protection comes from alarm systems. These systems trigger immediate alerts upon potential breaches or security threats, allowing swift response to deter intruders and minimize potential damage. Signage communicates security policies, deterring unauthorized access and guiding behavior to enhance overall safety and protection. Access controls on doors restrict access to authorized personnel, provide an auditable entry record, and enable efficient access permissions management. Human vigilance is also pivotal for physical cybersecurity. A vigilant receptionist ensures secure entry by verifying identities and enforcing security protocols. Similarly, a visible security guard acts as a deterrent, monitoring access points and responding swiftly to potential threats. Beyond human-originated threats, environmental factors and natural disasters represent a significant physical danger to an organization's cybersecurity framework. Environmental factors, such as temperature, humidity, and electrostatic discharge, (ESD), can significantly impact an organization's cybersecurity and physical infrastructure. Temperature extremes, both high and low, can severely affect the performance and lifespan of computing equipment. High temperatures can lead to overheating, resulting in hardware failure or reduced efficiency, Conversely, excessively low temperatures cause device condensation, leading to short circuits. Careful management of humidity levels is necessary. High humidity can cause condensation on internal components, leading to corrosion or electrical short circuits. Low humidity levels increase the risk of electrostatic discharge, potentially damaging sensitive electronics. Electrostatic discharge results from sudden electricity flow due to contact or an electrical short. ESD can damage or destroy sensitive electronic components, erase or alter magnetic media, or ignite flammable mixtures. To mitigate these threats, organizations implement several solutions. Some of these are climate control systems, ESD protection, regular maintenance, and environmental monitoring. Let's explore these in detail. Installing advanced climate control systems ensures that temperature and humidity levels are within safe IT equipment thresholds. Grounding, anti-static mats, wristbands, and ESD-safe workstations and tools help minimize the risk associated with electrostatic discharge. Additionally, routine checks and maintenance of climate control systems help in the early detection of potential issues before they escalate. Lastly, deploying sensors and monitoring systems for real-time tracking of environmental conditions allows for immediate action if parameters exceed safe limits. Natural disasters like earthquakes or floods can wreak havoc on physical infrastructure, leading to a complete loss of data and operational capabilities. Mitigating damages to cybersecurity infrastructure caused by natural disasters is crucial to maintaining data security and operational continuity. Here are some possible solutions: redundant data centers, backup power systems, and off-site data storage. Let's learn about these in detail. Establishing geographically dispersed data centers ensures data redundancy and continued operations in a natural disaster affecting a specific location. Next, implementing robust backup power systems such as uninterruptible power supplies, UPS, and generators maintain continuous power supply to critical cybersecurity infrastructures during disasters. Lastly, utilizing off-site data storage facilities in secure locations stores critical data and systems, safeguarding them from the impact of local natural disasters. In this video, you learn that various physical threats can impact an organization's cybersecurity. Outdoor security measures play a crucial role in deterring unauthorized access and safeguarding critical infrastructure. Environmental factors and natural disasters represent a significant physical danger to an organization's cybersecurity framework. It is crucial to mitigate damages to cybersecurity infrastructure caused by natural disasters to maintain data security and ensure operational continuity.